This is the landing page, the home page, the about page, and the scrolling animation. And I built this entire website using AI in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow from the front end, the animation, 3D particles, and all the tools I have used. Yeah, let's get started. First, let's make a front end, and I'm gonna make a front end using Lovable. So here, this is home page, and here just gonna paste the prompt here, and after that, just add that implementation plan. So right now I have added that implementation plan and the prompt. So all we need to do is just enter, and this will create the front end for us. And after this front end done, if everything is working very well, then we're gonna be making the 3D properties. And it's done. We are left with about 3.40 credit remaining, and this is the result. I'm gonna just wait, let me just full screen it. And yeah, this is the full screen, and also this is the landing page. When you go to explore, it will take you to the home page, and this is the home page. You can scroll down, and this is the home page, and then there is about page. You can do this also scrollable, and then there is project page, and then there is contact page. That's the whole page. Let's add the 3D particles in the home page, and then in the about page let's add the scrolling animation. Oh yeah, first let's deal with the 3D particles. To add that, I'm gonna be linking into GitHub, and then I'm gonna download the whole code. And now we got the code, and it's time to add the interactive particles. So this is the whole code, and I have installed the node.js here, and then all we need to do is paste the prompt. So here I'm gonna paste the prompt, and this is the prompt that will create the 3D particles. Okay, now let's just enter it. After entering, it will analyze the whole prompt and then create an implementation plan for us. Read that implementation plan carefully. Only after that, just text with proceed, and it will proceed with the implementation plan. And this is our implementation plan. It's gonna remove the text and everything from the hero section and add a pure background color of solid orange color, and then add that interactive 3D particles. Let's just proceed with it. Proceed. Okay, and we got our result, and this is a 3D interactive section we are added in the hero section. But as you can see, it's really interactive, but I feel like I should change the background color of this section, and there was some issues with the hero section. I have fixed that. Okay, now let's paste the prompt and also attach the screenshot, and then I'm gonna just enter. And this is the result we got. See how interactive this is, and the hero section look classic and really clean. And when you scroll down, also this section is really matching with the color and theme and everything. Now let's go to the about page and add a scrolling animation. Okay, right now we are at Freepik, and here we got about a lot of videos here. It's totally free to download, and some of them are premium, but select the one that's not premium. So I think this one works really good in our about section, I think. So for that, I'm gonna just download it, tap on it. Here you can just come over here and select the 4K format. Now we got the 4K video, and all we need to do is convert this video into image sequence, and this is GIF, and here gonna choose the file. So I have added the file, and now just scroll down, go to upload video, and scroll down, go to the frame rate, and increase this frame rate to 30, and then convert to JPG sequence. The specific short duration of low rate 10 seconds is maximum length of this video at 30 fps. So let's reduce this to about 20. Let's try that. Yeah, it's working. After done, just download in frame as zip file, and then extract the file and add to Antigravity. I have created the public folder, and here inside the public folder you can see the about frames. Inside the about frame folder you can see the image sequence. There is total of 275 images, and it's a JPG file. And then I'm gonna just paste a prompt that will create the scrolling animation in our about page. And here just paste the prompt, and this is the prompt, and make sure you have the .jpg here, and then just gonna enter it. And we have added the scrolling animation, and here you can see the person is moving, and but there is something missing. Yeah, text is missing. We need to add some text to make it even look clean and perfect. So let's add that, and that is also completed. And we have added the text. You can see when you scroll, you can see the text here forming up, and it's finally completed. I will show you one by one. And this is the home page, and previously I showed us the landing page. So this is the home page, and we scroll down, and these are sections, and it's really interactive and perfect, super clean. And then there is about page is completely different. You can see there is scrolling animation, and here you can add your own face and create the animation and make it even cooler, I mean, yeah. And then there is project section. I didn't do anything in this project section. And there is contact, and yeah. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next awesome video. Thank you for watching.